my name is Fab and Johnny. Today I'm going to introduce you Cassida CoinMax. It's basically a coin sorter. So let's see what are the functions and options which we have in that machine. Cassida CoinMax is optimized with dirhams. I have few dirhams here. Let's put the coins to the hopper and then press start button. Okay, so the counting was very fast. It's very really impressive. It took like less than half a minute. So we can see the details on the display. You can see like the total value is 377 dirhams, 0.25 fils. You can press the report to see the details according to each denominations. So press display. So here you can see the details for 1 dirham old. So there is nothing. 50 fils old, 0. 1 dirham new, 268 pieces. 50 fils new, 178 pieces. And 25 fils, 81 pieces total. So these are the three main coins which we can see in Dubai market, and also like 1 dirham old and 50 fils old coins are there. So there is an option to separate that as well. Really good. And as you can see, like there is a set button and a batch option here. So that's for actually basically like if you press set, you can see the details. So this, like I said, batch nothing here, and here also 0. So 1 dirham for 1 dirham new. So this is the like commonly used coin. So I set the batch as 300. That's basically for, let's say, like if you have counting all these coins, and when this pocket reaches 300 or the count reaches 300 pieces, the machine stops. If you want to take it to like another pocket or something, like it's possible. You can change these values by pressing the batch button. There are preset values. So if you want 200 only, you can set 200, or 201 or 205. You can use plus or minus buttons for that. And we have a print button here. Like if you connect a thermal printer to this machine, we can print the details of count according to each denominations. So like it's really an impressive machine, very fast and easy to use. I really liked it. And if you are looking for a machine with fast counting and like proper accuracy, you can go with Cassida CoinMax. So these are the main functions and options and how the working of this machine. Thanks for watching. Good day to you guys.